Menteri Sarkar Khuborjylla badai ru MLA ke UDP ba Lahkmen rumboi ulapan pau ya ke jingdan Kham ba ke Sarkar Jilla kan penkiu no ya ke song pisa na ka benta ban pentri Kham ya ki MLA Skim knang ba ki Paidbah kin yo Khambon ki Kham penroi ha ke jingkran bat kilat pathai Khubor uba Lahkmen ula ong ba ke Sarkar kalade ban penkiu no ya ke Skim MLA ka ba ki yo menta ar poin san klur knang ba kinong yo Myntoi ru kin Khambon leng ba ki Skim ki bawan na kinong mikman.
See, MLA scheme is not the personal money of any MLA. So it is for the goods of the public. So all the MLA are doing, are distributing, are implementing the scheme in their respective constituency. So, in fact, if you say if we need the MLA scheme should have been increased, not only 2.5 crore, they should have been increased because we have to meet so many needs of the people. So MLA scheme is for people, and the MLA also they are implementing to the best of their ability. It depends upon the different area what they are doing, but that is depend on the MLA concern. If the scheme which he is submitting, which is implementing, is within the guideline of the scheme for implementing of the MLA scheme. So I don't have to comment any. I didn't have any comment on that because it is not like you go and buy. Like me, if the personally, there are some schemes which since 2023-24, many have been completed, some are in the process of implementation. And the same like that, sometimes due to late submission of estimate, sometimes there are occasions where the estimate which have to be approved by the executive engineer DRDA due to a frequent transfer of engineers. In many districts, there are different EE executive engineer come at different point of time. But I'm very happy now that recently, because due to delay in this thing, they have taken the government have taken a decision that the deputy commissioner is at liberty to, whenever there is any vacant in the post of the EE of in the DRDA, he can utilize the service of any executive engineer in the district so that it could streamline the implementation of MLA scheme. So it is like that. But personally, if you tell that we not only need 2.5 crore, we need more. We need more to meet the needs of people, but accountability should be there because it's not the personal money of any MLA. It is the money from the government exchequer for the benefit of the people, for the benefit of his constituent. I'm not saying that he can give to all his constituent, but he will try to meet something as much as possible within the limit of that scheme.